Low energy, zero motivation, stubborn fat that just won't leave. A lot of guys blame age for that. But here's the truth. Your testosterone might be getting destroyed every single day, and not by what you think. Today, I'm breaking down 5 things that are quietly killing your testosterone. Fix these, and you'll feel the difference. Let's go. Testosterone isn't just about muscles or sex drive. It's literally the engine behind your mood, energy, and focus. When it's low, life feels like walking around with the handbrake on. Most guys are tanking their T without even realizing it. So let's rip the band-aid off and expose the top 5 testosterone killers you've probably never thought twice about. First one's simple but brutal: sleep. If you're grinding on 5 hours of sleep thinking you're a hustler, you're not. You're just tanking your testosterone by up to 15% in a single week. That's like voluntarily aging yourself 10 years. Sleep isn't optional. It's the #1 testosterone booster you'll never pay for. Processed foods, especially ones packed with seed oils and sugar, wreck insulin sensitivity and pack on belly fat. And guess what belly fat does? It converts testosterone into estrogen. Yep, your snacks are literally feminizing you. Every time you crush a bag of chips, your T takes another hit. Stress. And I'm not just talking about bad bosses or traffic jams. I'm talking about being in constant fight or flight. When cortisol is high, testosterone drops. They're enemies. The more time you spend stressed out scrolling or worrying, the less time your body spends building muscle, burning fat, or feeling like an actual man. A couple drinks every now and then, but regular drinking is straight up poison for testosterone. It damages your liver, which you need to process hormones, and it nukes your sleep on top of that. If you're drinking daily, your T levels are basically waving a white flag. Cardio's cool, sports are fun, but resistance training is what tells your body, yo, we need testosterone. No weights, no signal. And if you're just sitting all day with zero movement, your body assumes you don't need strength or hormones. Start lifting, even twice a week, and you'll see your T wake up fast. So here's the deal. Your testosterone isn't just about age, it's about habits. Fix your sleep, clean up your food, manage stress, cut down on booze, and move some heavy weight. Your body will reward you big time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button so more guys can escape LowT prison. And if you want me to make a video on natural ways to skyrocket testosterone fast, drop T-Boost in the comments. I'll make it happen. Take care of your testosterone, and your testosterone will take care of you.